Relations between India and Nigeria rest on a solid foundation of age-old, long-standing ties based on deep mutual respect, goodwill, and shared concerns and priorities. Our exchanges and our relations saw more interaction and more cooperation during 2020 than in the preceding years, without necessarily meeting physically. In 2021, we are already looking forward to more exchanges in the field of trade economic cooperation, counter-terrorism, defense and security, foreign affairs, and consular matters. On this note, I once again sincerely thank all the senior officials, representatives of ministries, my colleagues in the diplomatic corps for making it convenient and showing this confidence in India.
I wish to particularly applaud the strides made in the political, economic, defense, education, technical training, developmental cooperation, and other aspects of our bilateral relations with India, and also commend the exchanges of high-level visits between officials of our two countries. These visits have no doubt resulted in building renewed friendship and mutual trust between our two countries and facilitated the tremendous increase in the volume of trade in recent years. I encourage both countries to continue to explore new areas of cooperation for the mutual benefit of our two countries and peoples. We appreciate the cooperation and assistance of international partners that have helped Nigeria in strengthening the efforts in combating the effects of the virus. Allow me at this juncture to use this opportunity to assure all and sundry that the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari is committed in its resolve to tackle the various developmental issues and security challenges facing our dear country. We therefore call on friendly countries, among which is the Republic of India, to partner with us as we decisively combat the menace of insecurity that bedevil our country and the sub-region.
What we've come here to do today, with the number of Nigerians in attendance, is to show solidarity, support, and best wishes for the Indian community in Nigeria, which is the very large numbers. So to me, I will use the opportunity once again on behalf of the Nigerian people to wish the Indian entire population a wonderful National Day. And I look forward to joining them in subsequent years.